Hey, Jeff here. Just a quick video on how to use your Nutra-Bullet to make applesauce. You gotta core and peel them, and don't add any water to the Nutra-Bullet. I hope. Okay, you gotta pulse it until they're full of water. Then you can let her rip. Once you get all the big chunks out of there and let her go. I got 2 3/4 medium apples in there. Already done this once before, but without making such a mess. These will go in now. Now there's liquid. And they'll blend right up. And you'll get a big jar of organic applesauce. Try this. Now you can go full blast. Just let her go. Okay, we got just the right amount of apples left. It's so simple. Hardest part is coring and peeling. Make sure your lid's on tight. Give it a tell, it quits shaking when the big pieces are gone. Okay, there you have it. Undo it. You probably have some stuff on your blade. Shake it up. Stir it up. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh boy, that is succulent. Try it. You'll like it. Hey, I got lots of videos on this channel. Come visit. And yes, that's an invite. Hey, thanks for watching, and y'all have a good night. Try it. You'll like it.